Hello, fellow aerialists. Welcome back to my channel. I have a good one for you today. Today I have for you a beginner-friendly aerial silks tutorial. As long as you know how to tie a figure 8 foot lock, even from the ground, you are free to give this a shot. But to my advanced aerialist friends out there, I think you're going to like this too because it is so dumb and easy, but it actually looks quite effective, in my opinion. This sequence doesn't really have an official name. I think I'm just gonna call it a dramatic flying sequence. So find your aerial silks, grab your safety mat, and let's get ready. But before we start the tutorial, can I just ask you guys to quickly please hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on. The notification bell really helps out this channel, and trust me, this channel needs all the help it can get. Alright, my friends, as stated, this sequence starts from a figure 8 foot lock. You can tie it on the ground or you can climb up and tie 1 foot in the air like I'm doing. And of course, I like to climb with split silks already since I know I'm going to lock just a single foot. From here, I like to bring my free leg into a passe on the silks, and I make sure I trap the free silks in my armpit as I tip to the side towards the straight leg. If you're familiar with Rebecca split, it's almost like we're about to do a Rebecca split. The free silks kind of drapes down your back. Grab it with your bottom arm, place it under the armpit, then over the shoulder. From there, that shoulder that you just placed the silks on, which should be the same arm as your locked foot, reaches up high. Other hand staggers down lower, and you can kick your foot lock off and you're in this beauteous shape. So naturally, my butt is facing you guys as I do this, so let me just kind of wiggle my way so you can see more of a profile version of this. Yes. Anyway, from here you can stag, you can just stretch those legs back, you can back bend. It looks like you are holding your entire body weight up, but that silks around your back is really helping. Now, to get out, we are gonna hike the knee up and put a little French climb stance on the silks in front of us, aka the one we were just holding in front of us with both of our hands. Forget what a French climb is? That's okay, scroll back. I have a tutorial on it. From there, you release the silks out of one shoulder, then the other, then re-grab a silks in each hand and release your legs. You're out of there. Also, side note, I want to say if you completely brain fart the French climb and you go into basic, you are still able to exit the pose. It's just not as graceful and easy in my opinion. Okay, that was fun. Now, as per the usual, I'm going to go through the same sequence on my opposite side because I'm a good little aerialist at normal speed. So I'm putting my foot lock on, bring that leg to a passe. Number one most important thing, make sure that free silks is trapped in your armpit before you tip to the side, and then it was under the shoulder, over the shoulder. Kick your foot lock off. Drama! Once again, no, I'm turning away from you. Let me get back to profile. And then I French climb stance, the silks in front, release one shoulder, release the other, and release the feet. And there you go. That is it. That is the whole sequence for today. Any questions? Let me know in the comments below. Curious as to where I'm filming this? I'm at Body and Pole in New York City. It's where I'm a substitute teacher, but there's also other fantastic teachers, and they have pole dance classes, aerial silks classes, aerial hammock classes, aerial hoop classes, flexibility classes, and more. If you live in the city or live near the city or are visiting the city, come check them out. Also, you can find me on the Instagram at Laurie Bloom and the TikTok at Laurie Bloom NYC. And if you're Gen X or older, come to Facebook. I'm there too, Laurie Bloom Flexibility. Until the next time, I hope y'all have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.